Hello friends, I am Professor Yasar Shinde from KKV College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. Today I am here with next topic, factors affecting ecological balance and ameliorative measures. So let's see the topic. So let's see which are the factors affecting ecological balance and ameliorative measures. First one is damage to ozone layer. So gases like chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide and methane are used as refrigerants. These gases, especially chlorofluorocarbon, is very harmful to ozone layer. Every 1 chlorine from chlorofluorocarbon molecule removes around 1 lakh molecules of ozone. Next is accelerated soil erosion. Under intensive cropping and improper tillage operations, deforestation resulted into soil loss through wind and water. This erosion results in loss of productive soil from the surface, making the soil unsuitable for cultivation. Next factor affecting ecological balance is irrigation related problems. Excess use of irrigation water leads to accumulation of salts in soil and raising groundwater table, which leads to waterlogging. Some of the areas having less availability of water, in such areas overexploitation of groundwater is the major problem. Next factor is depletion of soil fertility. In intensive cropping areas, use of chemical fertilizer is increased by several folds. Availability of organic manures like farmyard manure, compost, etc. is less, which leads to nutrient imbalance in soil and also has adverse effect on soil biodiversity. Next factor affects ecological balance is increasing concentration of carbon dioxide. Forests are the efficient sink of CO2, but due to deforestation, concentration of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is increasing day by day. This results in heat imbalance and increasing atmospheric temperature, which causes drastic changes in climate. Next factor is deforestation. Forest helps to prevent erosion, runoff and influence of climate region due to their effect of wind direction, velocity and rainfall. But due to deforestation, there is loss of valuable genetic resources and it also modifies the climate and the biodiversity. Next factor is erosion of biodiversity. Widespread use of modern varieties for taking higher yield causing replacement of traditional varieties and results into loss of genetic diversity. Next factor is pest and disease. Monoculture of selected crops leading to problem of buildup of diseases and pests in particular area and crop. Propagation of pests and diseases is more in modern cultivars. Further factor affecting ecological balance is agrochemicals. Modern varieties are highly responsive to pesticides. Farmers are indiscriminately using chemicals for plant protection, which harms the natural enemies. Over the use of agrochemicals results in buildup of resistance to pesticides in pests and diseases, including herbicide resistance in weeds. Next factor is contamination of food and fodder by residues of pesticides, nitrates and antibiotics. So friends, this is about factors affecting ecological balance and ameliorative measures. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.